people call them pipe wrenches, others call them monkey wrenches, but adjustable wrench is the proper technical term for these tools. And believe it or not, these tools have been around since 1848. It's no secret that these wrenches are both simple and ubiquitous. Here's how they work. There are only three parts: the handle, the ferrule, and the jaw. Put the wrench over the nut. Turn the ferrule clockwise until the jaw presses against it. Wiggle the handle slightly as you continue to turn the ferrule until the wrench feels tight. Now turn the whole wrench counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, and the nut loosens on the bolt. To tighten the nut, simply turn the wrench clockwise, righty-tighty, and the nut cinches down. It's astoundingly easy. There is, of course, the dark side. Because it's adjustable, the wrench can come loose. If you don't tighten the jaw completely, it can slip. It's not so bad when you loosen the nut, but if you're tightening it, the wrench can slip and damage the nut. But that's the only caveat. And now you're a master at manipulating this marvelous piece of mechanical history.
Hi, my name is Gumaro Rodriguez, Safety Representative from ASC Process Systems. In this video, I am going to teach you all about the different types of wrenches we use in the shop. Adjustable wrenches are the most commonly used wrenches due to their one-size-fits-all ability. Crescent wrenches have a dial located underneath the wedges that allow you to select the size needed for the job. These wrenches come in handy because they allow you to cut down on bringing an array of standard wrenches, sockets, or ratchets, and just carry one crescent wrench. Crescent wrenches are a great tool. However, you must be careful to not slip the nut or bolt and cause a rounding or stripping of the nut or bolt, since the size can adjust while in use. A good practice is to keep your finger on the dial that adjusts the size of the forks to ensure the wrench stays tight around the nut or bolt you are working with. Always make sure to tighten or loosen the nut or bolt you are working on with the big fork or arm behind the direction that you are turning, so that you do not damage or even break the adjustment mechanism these wrenches have.